class.
Good morning, Mr. Cortez.
How are you?
You're welcome, Sophia. Okay. Number 1 says use a table of values. This is like the worksheet that we did first. Okay. Jordan, I'm going to want you to help me with this one. Table of values, what's that mean? What's it look like?
It looks like a T.
Looks like a T, right? So we'll put X over here and Y over there. Where do you go from there?
You put the Y as -1.
I don't think so. Remember with the table of values, what's the first thing that we do with the table of values?
You put 3 different numbers down as X.
3 different numbers down as X. Which different numbers do you like to use?
I would like to use 0, 1, and 2.
0, 1, and 2? We can do that. You want? Okay. Where do I go from there, Jordan?
Then you copy the problem with blank for X.
Okay. Nice.
And then input the number.
You want to do 0 first?
Yeah.
Okay. The thing I like about 0, and you chose it, is that it just goes away, doesn't it?
Yes.
Y equals -1. Perfect. Okay. What next, Jordan?
Then you copy down the problem again.
Okay. We'll go with 1 this time? Yep. Okay. And what do I get for the first step?
Then you get 4 minus 1.
4 minus 1, and Y equals?
3.
Beautiful. Nice. Now, Jordan, that gives us 2 points, right? X and Y for the first point, X and Y for the second point. I don't really need another point to draw the line. But what I want to do, the third point is really a check, right? We want to make sure that it's a straight line, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and plug in this other one. So Y is equal to 4. We'll put 2 there. What do I get?
Y equals 8 minus 1.
8 minus 1. Y equals?
7.
7. Okay, good. So we'll put 7 here. Now I've got my 3 points. Now, Jordan, I'm going to get rid of my work here. Okay. Tomorrow you'll have a graph already drawn there for you, just to save you some time. It's a test, it's longer. Okay. So your graph will be there, but I'm going to draw the graph here. Okay. And you gave us all positive x's, and I'm getting pretty much positive y's. I've got that 1 negative down there. Okay. Let's make that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so 2, 4, 6 when I'm labeling. Please be sure to label tomorrow. You don't have to label all of them, but label something so I can tell how much one square stands for. Okay? All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't need to go any more of it. So help me graph this now. Grace, would you help me graph? Thank you, George.
Okay, well, X is just going to make it 0.
Okay, x is 0.
And then -1 is going to go back.
Okay, so I'll go. All right, that's one of them. Good. All right, and then what about the next one?
We're going to go 1, positive.
Positive 1.
And then up 3.
Up 3 to right here. Okay, that's another one.
And then you're going to go 2 and then 7 up.
2 and then all the way up to 7 here. Okay, that looks about right, doesn't it? Okay. Not bad. With an arrow. I'm not going to count off if you don't put the arrows, but we do want to know that they do go on forever in both directions, right? Okay. Jordan, Grace, thank you. Nice job. All right. Let's look at the next one.